Very fat.
Proper stuff.
Quick, this is quick food. You know what I mean, mate? Sorry, that sounds quick. All the ingredients that disappear. You don't see it inside the food. With the leaf and everything. Seasoned pepper. Make sure, as you said, you know the one Dunn's River. And I'm just colouring everything. So you can't put too much, just the colour. Not about the amount, and people saying put this amount, that amount, now. It's the colour. I'm trying to get on everyone. See, the colour just changed now. So now I'm happy. I know everybody's got some. So perfect. It's dead on. And this is just to make it quick and get it, because it's not going to be seasoning it too long. That's what I use, like the powder or granule. Otherwise I use fresh. You know, you're going to leave it overnight. Okay, like powder is fine. And you don't worry, like you can't have too much garlic. So it looks like a lot of stuff. So everybody's got it. Everybody's got it on there. That's going to go with your dry ingredients. So like that. That's in. All that's in already. So we'll look at this, because if I had Scotch bonnet, I'll be using that. So not too much. I don't like it to burn your choke. So here's in there. Same again, colour. So not even too much curry, really. Not even too much. Just enough to. Yeah, it's plenty. But that's another mistake. I think people make they put too much of everything. But everybody looks like he's got something. You smell that now. You don't smell no gaminess, no meating. You just gone completely just the thing in it. So I can cook this straight away. I wouldn't even leave it sitting. This can cook straight, because you know what? It's a bit heavier on the seasoning. So that's actually ready to go. It's not no extras, not much, is it? Nothing. But the colour. So like I said, once I know everybody's got, I'm not frightened of putting too much. You just can't put too much. You just won't have. We're gonna cook it straight.
I said from everybody's got.
Everybody's got.
You can see everybody's got still. Tell no lies in his pot.
No. Everybody's got on there. Watch how quick this is done. So now I've got the celery. I've got everything to cut up after. All this is still to cut up. The celery, the tomato, the onion, the thyme, cube your tomato, all that's going in. So all that's going to brown in there. And that starts steaming.
Well, you leave the seeds in the seasoning pepper?
Yeah, because they're not strong.
Okay.
It's not hot at all. This is not hot at all. It's not like
Scotch bonnet.
yeah.
Onion as well.
And I guarantee as soon as we put it in, as soon as that gets going.
What is that? A pressure cooker there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I've done in half an hour. The whole onion's going in there. Whole onion's going in. Celery. So you can have one stick of celery, usually, but the amount of oxtail, I'll go with 2. And what the celery does for me, it just makes it, instead of you having to put like any sort of thickening or anything into it, it disappears. You won't see it at all. What's the onion today?
One's good enough, yeah.
Then you keep for it. Almost there. So fresh garlic is good, because I haven't not really had time to soak in.
Sounds good, hot.
Yeah. Sometimes they say green tomato, don't you? Yeah, the tomato gives it that look. Does the gravy, makes the gravy nice. But they said all of this disappears. Right. Scalding nice.
With the time everybody.
By the time this ketchup can get going, you'll be able to taste it and taste that and come out straight away. Water hot with what you're doing. Oh, not really, isn't it? You think of it, is it?
Not really, but no, first one.
Yeah. As long as it's really good and brown and good. That we do with the little friend. It won't burn. Cover it. So I won't cover it straight away. I want to taste that water. I want to taste the gravy. So I'll leave that to catch up, till that starts bubbling. When that starts bubbling, then one down. Alright, so this will be this one is 35 minutes. And it should be done. Cooked done.
I think it's electric, isn't it? Like a pressure cooker.
Yeah, that's true.
So I don't know. That's how I know the temperature.
I don't. I just put the water on. You can cut with a spoon. Yeah, I'll just put it. Lid off for a few minutes, let it.
Proper.
Yes, no.